Ever seen lightning erupt from a volcano? During massive eruptions, ash and rock particles collide in the air, building up static electricity that sparks lightning bolts. It's called a dirty thunderstorm, and it's one of nature's most spectacular shows. The combination of fire, ash, and lightning makes volcanoes look alive with energy. These storms can stretch miles into the sky and are visible from space. Scientists study them to better understand how lightning forms naturally. Its beauty and destruction in perfect balance. Would you dare watch a lightning volcano in person? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electrifying natural phenomena.